Viewer discretion advised.
It was morning at the Fall River Railroad, and the engines were slowly waking up, approaching yet another day of confidence and enthusiasm. Another day, another migraine. God, so many years of working at the factories before my arriving to Fall River has gotten to my head. Today, by the instructions of the railroad manager, Dudley was told to work at the quarry with Tabor and Marcia and collect a train full of china clay which could be used for pottery, paper, paint, and many other things. When suddenly... Hey, Dudley! Are you off to the quarry today? 'Cause it sure looks like it. Hey, you won't mind if I join you on your little excursion, would you? No thanks, Pepik. I think I'm just better off working by myself. Besides, it's time for you to find a better job, bro. Let me tell you something. The bosses these days who run railways, they go through all this trouble to have, and I quote, really expensive tastes. Well, okay, that's fine with me. Working independently is more significant than the well-being of working together. Alright, fine. You can come along with me. Oh, thanks, pal. Well, off we go. Next stop, the quarry. There you are, Dudley. You're 22 minutes late for work. What's the holdup, boy? Oh, that. Well, you see, I was convinced by Pepik to journey along with me to the quarry, so I don't want to hear excuses. That's less accountability taken to a brand new level. Now quit your yakking and collect those quarry trucks. We haven't gone all day, you know. Later that day, Dudley's next task was to deliver passengers to the big station. Remy, of course, was waiting for him.
Come on, Dudley, where are those passenger coaches?
I'm gonna go get them, Remy. Can't you see I'm busy?
Well, you better pick up the pace. The passengers can't wait that much longer, you know.
I've been waiting 22 hours when I bought my ticket. I'll go get the passenger coaches when I'm good and ready. Much later that day, Dudley was chuffering through the countryside. If I have to spend another hour pulling passengers and freight work, I think I would have lost my mind for a minute. Then there was trouble. Watch where you're going, buddy. One day you might have a crash. Vroom, vroom, vroom.
Dudley, where have you been? You were supposed to deliver a train full of makeup to me an hour ago. How am I supposed to—
You know the deal, boy. You bring me the fueling can and I bring you all the fresh coal and water you need. Why are you such a knucklehead today? I'm gonna send your sorry buffers to the scrap heap. Yeah, that excursion wasn't good enough. What are you rambling about, boy? You still got a lot of work to do. Did you get those quarry trucks yet, you son of a— Get out of here. You're not qualified for the Great Railway Show looking like that, pal.
Are you kidding me?
I don't know how much longer I can take all this stress. I'm almost at my breaking point. Perhaps it's best if I close my eyes and begin to dream. Seize the day!
Hey, Dudley! I've got some trading trains to do with you today!
Get a better job to do, you freaking hippie!
What in tarnation was that all about? Where are those quarry trucks?
I'll tell you where they're about to be, right down your smokestack!
What on earth are you doing, Dudley? You are causing confusion and delay.
Shut up, boss! Shut your godforsaken mouth!
Come on, Dudley. These passengers are not going to be delivered themselves, you know.
Just do the work yourself, Remy! How hard is it? There, now do the world a favor and lay off the makeup, you filthy diesel! Here, have the formula!
Come on, bro.
Hey, mister, could I borrow these?
Sure. Knock yourself out.
Finally, some peace and quiet. Now I can get back to the sheds and